Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some vintage Shabby Chic style home decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Here are some advanced and creative Shabby Chic home decor tips to help you refine your space and make it even more personal and layered. Incorporate French country influences. Shabby Chic shares DNA with French country style. Add elements like tile fabric or tartan furniture, curvy carved wooden furniture with distressed white or cream finishes. Use time-worn accessories. Add personality with antique picture frames even without pictures. Cracked or pressed porcelain dishes. Vintage clocks or candeliers with crystal drops. Display old books creatively. Stack vintage books with faded covers on shelves, dressers, or nightstands. Use books as recessors for candles, vases, or knickknacks. Tie them with twine or lace for extra charm. Go big on mirrors. Look for gilded or whitewashed ornate frames. Tall, leaning mirrors with chipped paint. Place them strategically to reflect light and open up small spaces. Use open storage. Let your decor double as display. Wicker or wire baskets with lace-lined fabric. Vintage crates mounted on walls or under benches. Open kitchen shelving with stacks of mismatched plates and teacups. Decorate with dried flowers. Use bunches of dried lavender, roses, or baby's breath in vintage pitchers or jars. Hang small buckets upside down from pegs or hooks for rustic charm. Mix in handmade or DIY touches. Add character with homemade fabric bunting, embroidered linens, hand-painted signs or stencils with vintage-style fonts. Don't be afraid to mix eras. Blend Victorian elements with 1940s or 1950s pieces. The goal isn't historical accuracy, it's romantic nostalgia and warmth. Gallery walls with a vintage twist. Combine vintage art, small mirrors, botanical prints, and antique frames. Keep spacing loose and organic, not overly symmetrical. Layer multiple fabrics. Use varying textures like ruffled curtains, velvet throw pillows, quilted coverlets over linen bedspreads. Create a signature to accent wall. Ideas: soft floral wallpaper, vintage inspired. Whitewashed brick, salvaged wood planks, painted in soft tones. Keep it clean, not cluttered. Shabby Chic is romantic, not messy. Use vintage and distressed pages with intention. Too many and it can feel chaotic. Balance charm with breathing space. Use sheer curtains for airy light, opt for lace, foil, or gauze panels that filter natural light. Drape them loosely with vintage tiebacks or simple ribbon. Add feminine touches without overdoing it. Think delicate bows on drawer handles, sculpted airs on linens, or vintage floral brooches repurposed as curtain tiebacks. Keep a balance between sweet and sophisticated. Decorate with empty frames. Hang or lean open, distressed frames in different shapes and sizes. Use them alone or layer over wallpaper, mirrors, or prints for texture. Repurpose glassware and bottles. Use old perfume bottles, colored apothecary jars, or milk glass as decor. Fill them with dried florals, bath salts, or beds. Use chalk paint for DIY distressing. Easily give modern furniture a vintage look. Colors to try: antique white, dark egg blue, French grey, and dusty rose. Chipped, surface, and swap. Hit flower markets, estate sales, or even Facebook Marketplace for one-of-a-kind finds. Look for old leathers as decor or hanging racks, old doors or shutters as wall art or headboards, vintage floral paintings or embroidery. Bring nature indoors, wildflowers, herbs in aged clay pots, or twins in glass bottles add a rustic, natural touch. Mix wall art styles. Combine vintage botanicals, romantic chords in script fonts, own signs with friends or farmhouse text, embroidery hoops or cross-stitch samplers. Embrace asymmetry. Skip the perfect symmetry. Shabby Chic thrives on organic, imperfect placement. Let objects look casually placed, like they have been there forever. Trust your intuition. This style is deeply personal. If something feels charming, nostalgic, and makes you smile, even if it's unconventional, it likely fits the Shabby Chic spirit. Use skirted furniture, skirted chairs, ottomans, or tables. Give a romantic, draped look. Look for ruffled or pleated slipcovers in linen, cotton, or light floral patterns. Use wallpaper in unexpected places. Try Shabby floral wallpaper or peel and stick prints behind shelves or inside cabinets, on drawer fonts. writing elements. Write your favorite quotes, recipes, or notes in calligraphy and frame them. Old handwritten postcards, recipe cards, or letters make beautiful sentimental wall art. Think rustic glam. Don't be afraid to mix a little sparkle with Shabby, a crystal candelier over a weathered farm table, gilded candlesticks on a peeling painted dresser. Add texture through layering. Think curtain over a sheer panel, rug over another rug, or throw over a chair back. These layers create softness and complexity. Repurpose jewelry as decor. Drape pearl necklaces over vintage mirrors or lamp bases. Pin brooches to throw pillows or curtain ties. Include a vintage audio element, a record player, antique radio, or even a Fox vintage Bluetooth speaker adds auditory nostalgia. Label with handwritten tags. Use craft paper tags, chalkboard labels, or handwritten calligraphy on storage baskets, pantry jars, linen cupboards. Plain art instead of hanging everything. Prop frames, mirrors, and plugs on shelves or the floors for a relaxed, informal look. Paint furniture with intention. Don't just restress randomly. Highlight corners, drawer edges, and handles to mimic natural wear. Mix two soft tones like belly pink over cream and lightly sand to reveal layers. Thanks for watching the video.